What's poppin' YouTube? Today we kind of have an unboxing and first impressions of the Blue Yeti X microphone. Now I'm a pretty big audio guy when it comes to videos. I like to have good audio, so I'm going to be using this actually for a lot of my new YouTube videos. So let's go ahead and open this thing up, see what we get inside. Alright, so this is about the best angle I can get here, but let's go ahead and see what's inside this actual box. Again, the Blue Yeti X here, this is actually a new microphone from Yeti. I've used Yeti microphones in the past. They're really good quality, especially for just a USB microphone. You're going to get some software for free with this. You're going to get their Blue Voice software, which you can actually download on their website. They have it available for both Mac as well as Windows, free to download, and that's going to allow you to basically actually record audio with it, capture the actual audio streams. And I think, don't quote me on this, or maybe do quote me on this and correct me in the comments if I'm wrong or right, but I think you can actually change the RGB colors of the dial here. So you can change it from green to blue to orange, whatever. Being a new product, this thing was kind of hard to get, so I'll leave a link down in the description below if you guys want to check this out. So hopefully you can get an order in if you're interested in buying this. So taking a look around the box here, we just have, looks like the product features there, as well as some different languages. Some marketing materials as well as what it works for, so YouTube, Discord, Twitch, a bunch of other things that it's certified to work for. Basically, it'll work on any computer that allows you to plug a USB into. Okay, so we've got the box open here. Let's pull this out and see what we get inside. I'm gonna guess there's a microphone in here and some cords. Got a box in a box here. While I'm opening this up, let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see a review of this at all, or if you're gonna be picking up one of these for maybe your YouTube videos. Love to have a conversation with you down there. Okay, so first thing we see here, did I open this upside down? Let's try this again. Okay, pretend you didn't see that. Let's open it this way. Am I doing this wrong again? Okay, I think it's supposed to be open this way. I think we got it right this time. So, first thing you open it up here, looks like they got like an actual little user guide here. So you can adjust the gain, you can actually adjust the headphone level, and then they have different modes, or I guess they're calling them blends. Maybe that's something I'll look into more. Again, if you want to see a review, let me know. I can maybe dive into more detail about that. It does have metering on this. You can mute it, of course. This is actually a different mode, so it has different patterns here. So if you want to be right onto it, if you're just talking straight into the microphone, or if you're going to be using it for podcasting, maybe with two people, you want to use mode 4. And then I guess you're supposed to have the actual microphone stood up properly there. I did not know that, so that's good they have it there. So you have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack on here and micro USB. Would have been nice to see USB-C here, but oh well. Okay, so let's see what the actual microphone looks like here. Again, the Yeti X here. Let's pull it out of the styrofoam packaging. And there it is. Looks like it's upside down right now. Let's flip it up here. Wow, very nice quality. Definitely a higher quality microphone than the one I'm using on my camera right now. So hopefully it'll sound a bit better. So I'm just gonna set that off to the side and see what else we get inside here. I think there's just a cable. Yeah, it looks like there's just the micro USB cable on there. All right, so here's a closer look at the Yeti X itself. And there's my cat. All right, so here's a closer look at the Yeti X microphone itself. You can see here we got the button. You can click it to actually mute it. If we flip it upside down here, you can actually see on the back of it that has that pattern button. So you can change the mode that it's in. And underneath here, you can see the actual ports. So this is a headset port here and the micro USB port. And I believe that is to actually mount it on a different type of stand. Overall, really nice quality here. Let's plug this in the computer and see how it sounds. So far throughout this video, I've been using a RODE VideoMic GO attached to my camera for all of my audio. Now this is actually a shotgun microphone. I actually did a whole different video on this if you want to check that out. And this is a really good budget option if you have something like a DSLR and you're looking for just a bit better audio. If you have the budget in mind, getting something like a Blue Yeti microphone can work quite a bit better. Even if it's a USB microphone, there are better options out there, but for 100 to 170 bucks, which is about what Blue Yeti's range for, that's not a bad option. So again, throughout this video, I've been using a shotgun microphone, but starting now, we are using the Blue Yeti X microphone, and hopefully this sounds a lot better. Hopefully it does, because it was very expensive. And I haven't done a lot with the settings here. I've downloaded Blue Yeti's software on their website and messed around a little bit, but I'm just recording this through a program on my Mac right now. Haven't adjusted with the settings too much. I believe we're at like a 80 to 100 mic gain right now on the actual Yeti X. But hopefully you can see that just sounds quite a bit better. Even with a USB microphone, this is just a bit better audio than compared to the shotgun. And you can see here as I get closer to the microphone, it probably sounds even better. You could even maybe do some ASMR. I have no idea what I'm doing. Anyways, guys, this has just been a quick unboxing and overview of the Blue Yeti X microphone. If you're interested in purchasing this, I'll leave a link down in the description below. If you're new to my channel, again, please consider subscribing. I'm constantly putting out new technology related content. So if you're into that type of thing, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you'll never miss a new video. And leave a comment below letting me know if you want a full review of this thing. I'm not sure if I'm going to do one yet. I think I might, because this is a pretty cool microphone, but leave a comment letting me know. I'd love to have a conversation down there with you. Let me know if you're going to pick up this microphone or if you're using a different microphone. Other than that, I think I'm going to end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and have a great rest of your day.